Morning views.
Oh, it's so bright. I just looked straight.
I know, it is really bright. I don't think it's coming on the phone.
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful. Another cruise ship out there, some tankers. Yeah. We're slowly making our way to Coco Cay.
Ladies?
So much food.
Steak frites, French toast, eggs Benedict.
You blew right past it.
Crepes. Morning. Oh, look at those.
Yes. Oh man, no way their tzatziki
He's
is
like,
good.
seriously, we get to eat dinner here?
There's no way their tzatziki is good as that.
Maybe. Good morning. Chilling in the Aquadome.
Yeah.
You got your Starbucks, right?
I was videoing, baby.
Oh, my bad.
Okay.
Over there at Ryan Bean, where we were having some cocktails last night, that's also where you can get your Starbucks coffee.
Well, it's a very limited menu, but yes, it's included because it's Starbucks coffee, not at the Starbucks storefront.
So yeah, it's a good tip to know, and it's very quiet. Not a whole lot of people over here right now, so it's very chill. It's pretty
Show
cool.
them, like from where we're sitting, show them where the Aquadome Market is because they have to go there.
Aquadome Market.
And it's amazing.
Yep.
It's where you find your crepes.
And then over on that side are the pods, different levels of pods. So yeah, it's definitely a cool place to hang out, and we're excited for the Torque show whenever we get to see that.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is where you see Torque.
It's the Aquadome front.
Well, we need to get a drink here.
This is Ocean Odyssey, only aboard Star of the Seas.
If you go to dining, and
Pretty good?
You like it neat, right? I'll do chill.
There you go. Thank you. Cheers. Views from our bed. With the sun being on the other side of the ship now, we can have our curtains open and not overheat the room. Beautiful. The seas have really calmed down too, so it's not really rocking. You can't really feel it anymore, so it's very pleasant. Just got done watching some torque practice. I wouldn't necessarily call it a preview, but they were practicing a lot, so it was good. I think we're gonna go see Back to the Future, see if we can get in.
Now she's gonna take a fat nap.
Good for her.
She's got a little house in the boots that she stays in, so.
She's earned it.
She's like, I can't.
Uses many special effects, including smoke, strobe lighting, and sound effects. So, sit back and relax as we take you back to the future.
2.5 laps.
It's a long track. Well, that's where they would put a flag. It's the back of the ship. Just got done with Back to the Future. That was fun.
That was good. I'm glad we did that.
Yeah, it was really good. Just exploring.
We have snorkels and
I know, I saw that yesterday. Here we go.
the escape raft and
Shark Stack, yeah.
And we're at the lemonade coast.
I like the looks of Tennessee.
You're waiting for the reaction.
Look what we got on our bed when we came back to our room. That's cool. Pickleball set. Very nice of Royal Caribbean to give us that. So yeah, what a cool way to start ending the night. Had an excellent dinner. Service was fantastic. Of course, you can't see anything out there. It's just the dark ocean. But yeah, we're getting ready to go to Torque in a little bit. Been watching them practice all day, so.
Crash at the starting line.
saw Torque.
It was absolutely amazing.
That might have been the greatest show I've ever seen.
It was super high energy, and like I want to come back. Like it's just I want to bring boys. I want to come back. Like it's so good.
Don't be afraid to sit in a splash zone. It's awesome.
Oh yeah. No, it's totally. We got like second row seats, and it was best.
That's the greatest show ever.
Super high energy, like great songs. I don't even know. Like it was amazing. You have to come.
Soul
Please.
was awesome. Back to the Future was great. This is another level. It was awesome.
Royal Caribbean nailed it. Nailed it.
Go see it. Go see it twice,
Yes.
3 times, as many times as you can.
Star of the Seas. Let's go.
Yep.